Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's lecture about how you can create a viability check protocol. If you are watching me first time, kindly don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm going to upload some more couple of lectures about the flow cytometry and data analysis of the flow cytometry. Let's start today's lecture. Once you open the software Navius EX, by default there is a protocol already open. If you want to remove it and you want a fresh protocol, you can go to file and open new protocol. Alright, so we have a new protocol already here, and you can go to the tile special option to adjust the size. Go to the font from the dot plot properties and change the size of the font. Also you can make it bold, italic, whatever you like. Select this gating and delete it, we don't want right now. On the X parameter you can select the FS and on the Y side scattered. In this way usually we are analyzing the data, but it's depend on you. You can make a duplicate plot or you can make a new dot plot, up to you. If you make a new one, then you have to change the size. Go to the window and tile special and click on large, so it will adjust it and resize it same as like your first plot. If you want to make it more larger, it's not possible, then you have to increase the size manually. Once you're done, click select the plot first and then click Ctrl D. It will duplicate the plot. Now we want to change the X parameter to FL4. We will not change the Y parameter. FL4, why I use it? Because I have a viability die of 7 AAD which is visualized on FL4. Now go to the file and click edit FCS header attributes. Once you come here, select parameter to edit, click on FL4, select it under the stain and then type here your die name. So I have a die, as I told you, 7 AAD. Now we are going to make a rectangular region in this plot. Select it, click down, drag it up with the mouse at the top and then click here. So once you click, A is appearing. This is my first region. Then I am going to select the another one for that side on the right side, which is my positive area. 10 is to power 0 and above is considered as positive. So click it. So I have two gates or two regions. You can minimize it from this side if you enlarge the whole plot in the software. I want to rename it. To rename it, right click and go to the region properties, and in the region name you can give the name of this region. So this region name is viable. Click OK. It will change the name. Now the second one, go to the region properties and type here non-viable. So my right side is a non-viable and the left side is a viable. Press OK. So I have two regions now. If you go to the properties, you can also see the percentage on the plot. If you want, click on show on plot percentage, so you can see here the percentage will appear once you run the sample for viability check. Go to file now. You want to save the protocol or save as protocol, or also you have an option from the shortcut save protocol. Once you click it, it will take you to the place, desired place, wherever you want to save it. This is one option. Also you can click from here, it will take you to the same place to save the protocol. So down in the file name, click it and remove the name of the protocol and type your protocol name. For example, I'm typing it here right now, viability check .pro. Don't remove the .pro, otherwise it will not save the file. Once you click save, on the right side you will observe your protocol is saved and appearing. Now, if you click this mathematical sign option, you will find down all the information about your regions, like all percentage, non-viable percentage, and viable percentage. So this is how you can create your viability protocol in the flow cytometer software for Navius EX. I hope you liked today's lecture. If you like it, kindly don't forget like, share and subscribe. Keep watching. Till then, bye.